In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create your own portfolio site with the use of AI. For this video, we are using Wix.com. So first, you just need to log in into the Wix and then tap on the create a new site. Once you tap this, you will be introduced to this page where you just need to click the start chat. Now we just need to create a prompt for it to understand that we want to create a portfolio site. So let's do it. Then hit the enter button and let's wait for it to generate the questions and also the template that we will be using for our portfolio. Now once done, just click the go to dashboard. And then it is now creating our portfolio website. And you can customize this if you want. If you want to add pictures, edit the name or text, or even add a link. And as you can see here, it has generated the basic preview of the site that we want. So you can edit this by clicking the continue with this design. And that's it. That's how you can generate your own portfolio website with the use of AI or Wix Studio. And thank you for listening.